Well, as I promised, we will now learn why I have these little cables. And I'll get off this box. By the way, I wasn't resting my whole weight on it. Why would I do that? You'll know in a minute here. Okay, so very quickly. I was tempted to do the sharp fingernail routine, but decided it would be more interesting to just do it. If you don't know what the sharp fingernail routine is, you can check out this video that just popped up in the cards. Alright. Okay. So wipe some of the tape off. Get our packing material down. This is quite a bit of packing material, because this is quite a bit of package. Okay. Now, I think these boxes are turned the way they should be. Oh, one of them's upside down. Okay, let's pull it out. Hopefully they are turned the way their pictures suggest. Get rid of the big box. This may very well be a game changer for me. I don't know yet. But there's only one way to find out. They really tape these up well. Being very careful not to cut my fingers. Another box. What do you know about that? Okay. Come on. Yes! I have long last ordered studio monitors. There's another. I wonder if there's another box in here or if it's just the packing material. This is the LSR3 series from JBL. These are the 305s. I contemplated getting the 308s, but then changed my mind when I saw a pair of 8-inch studio monitors in the store because they are huge, and this is a small room. Okay, so in the box we have, once again, they're packed that you're not supposed to eat, the basic setup quick guide, and then the speaker monitor itself. Now, I'm not sure where to hold on here, so bear with me. It doesn't have handles. Okay, we'll move this over a little bit. And then we need to take this packaging off. More stickiness on the knife. Okay. I hate to rip all this up, but I kind of don't make it to be reused, so. Okay, here's the front, and it's plastic. Good, I have the front turned towards you. Oh, that is shiny. Okay, so this is a brief overview. If you want more details, you'll have to wait for the full review when that comes out. But I do want to use this for a while before I get into that. But a few highlights. Up front here, which is kind of hard to see because it's dark, we have the waveguide for the, I'm not going to touch it because that's the tweeter. Here's a woofer, 5-inch woofer, and our JBL professional logo down here. So waveguide enables you to have a very wide sweet spot, so you don't have to be right there's a wider area in front of these monitors you can be in, and still hear the same level of sound. So turning around to the back, we have our port. Here's our port, and we have our balanced inputs, which is why I have this cable. It's going to go in here, and then the other end is going to come out of the back of the 2nd gen Scarlett. So we have that. We have our on-off switch. These are powered, so they don't require an external amp. And then I'll need to learn how to use these. Low frequency trim, high frequency trim. Will I need them? I don't know yet. It's already turned up to the max. I don't know if maybe I'll put it in the middle. Because I plan to set these at a specific volume and then adjust the rest of it with the Scarlett. So we will see. Our AC power. And I think that's it. It's very simple. Ports. Now the outside is, feels like a particle board covered in plastic. And anyway, LSR3 series. Here it is. And this will be so I don't have to wear my. I have studio monitor headphones, but headphones give you a certain perspective that's kind of right. It's taking these two and putting them right on the sides of your head, which kind of, when you're mixing stereo, it can make stuff seem wider than it actually is. And so that's why these will be very helpful. All right, that has been this has been the unboxing and a quick overview of the LSR305 series. I'm going to unbox the other one, of course, but they're identical, so why not? It's easy enough. One thing that I forgot to mention is the power cord. Here's the power cord. And these don't have any feet on them yet, so in the packaging come these feet, which I will put on at some point. I'm thinking isolation pads. I really do not have an ideal space for these right now, but they were there was a good deal on them, so I figured I'll get them now and then worry about the space a little bit later. So we'll see about setting them up and then setting them up ideally. And all in all, it's if I know what good stuff sounds like on them, I should be able to get a good mix, even if they're in a slightly unideal position. My current speakers are kind of in an odd position right now. They're in a corner, which I don't really like, but it's the only option I have right now. And so far, I've been able to churn out a few good mixes that way. All right, well, this is it. These are the speakers and their cables, studio monitors. I should call them studio monitors. Cables, power, sound, more power back there, and they're finally here. I will still keep my Logitech system as sort of a real-world reference, and we'll go from there. All right, well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.